Hi folks. Well, we're going to do some thrift shop flipping. And we're at a Goodwill store right here. You can see the Goodwill store right behind me. And we're going to go find some good thrift shop stuff to flip. Okay. The sale color is blue. 50% off all the sale colors blue. So you look for anything with the tag blue on it. See how they're all marked blue? Okay, we're gonna start shopping. Here's the shorts. Here's the crop shorts. Look at these. Tell me these aren't adorable. Look at that. Look at these. You already have them cropped. You don't have to even crop them. Well, they have the white ones. And they have the beige. Look at that. They have the T-shirts. The blacks. The grays. And you go down and they have the whites. Purples. Every different color. They're already broken up by color. Whatever color you want, you just have to pick through. Look at these. These are the blues. You just look for, you say, what's a blue? You look for the little tag there that's blue. Pink T-shirts. Look at that. You look at the size. That's an Old Navy brand. See? These are men's. Every different color T-shirt you could ever possibly want. They're all here. Look at this. They're broken up. You want a men's T-shirt. Rewind. Look at that from Alaska. Tell me that's not cool. These are, and they don't take anything. Look at that. Who needs cocktails when we have beers? Tell me that's not cool. And that is a blue. So that is half price, 50% off. That is really cool. That size is, you have to look extra large. Look at that. All the clothes, the shirts. Every different color. I'm gonna go slower. You look for the brand name, the emblem. Not too shabby. You go in here, they have a nice dressing room. And this all helps. There's a dressing room. Right here, you change the clothes. It's not like you buy them without being able to change. 3 garments allowed in the time. I am in the dressing room and I'm going to show you 3 tops I got that are exactly the same as from Urban Outfitters I saw on their website. The first one is this vintage T-shirt right here. You can see it. Look at that. V-neck with the tabs, exactly the same as what they have. And it's a blue tag, so that means it's 50% off. You can't beat that. Here's the second one. This is a tie-dye one. I'm gonna hang it up here so you can see it. Tie-dye. Look at the top and the bottom. See the back? And look at the crocheting. Same exact, I gotta stand back so you can see it. Same exact top that they have. I wouldn't put it past that. This is somebody's top they got from there. Look at it. Right there. These are all $4.50. Look at this right here. I'm gonna hang it on. Look at this top, this crop top with the lace. Look at that, like brand new. And it has a yellow tag, so it's $4.50. Unbelievable. With spaghetti straps, and it's lined. They have jeans, and they're all hung up by the size. Look at this. Gloria Vanderbilt, you know she just passed away recently. Look at all her brands. Here more Gloria Vanderbilt. Levi's, Vintage America. They show you the brand and they show you the size right on here. Look at more Gloria Vanderbilt. Wow, look at this one. Jones, New York. Jeez. Now if you can find a Levi's. Here's New York and Company. That's worth a lot of money. Look at that. Size 12. The score is when you can find the blue color. Look at all these jeans. I mean, this is crazy. Look at all the jeans they have. I'm going to stand back so you can see them. $5.99, and then if you find a blue ticket, it's half price. I mean, how can you beat that? Look at these brands. And they have the dresses. There's long sleeve sweaters, every color. Long sleeve shirts, $4.59. If you get a blue tag, half price. Where are you going to go for this? And you look for a brand. Look at this, Forever 21. Wow. Look at this with the leather. Beautiful. So, thanks. See what you can do when you thrift shop. Okay, thanks for viewing my video. You take care.